guts.
Well, welcome back to Clooney Garage. It's Fred here, and it's a beautiful looking day at Pheasant Wood. Have a go at this rain. And Alex Albon, you brought the Lancer again.
Yes, the Lancer is here again.
Oh.
My second time on this track.
Very nice.
But it's a different car
Oh.
to the last time.
Tell us why.
It's got an LSD now.
Oh my God.
It's got an aggressive alignment.
Yes.
And it's got nice
Oh,
new
I think you've got some God's goodness goblin Mandalorian sort of semi-slicks there, Alex Albon.
That's absolutely right.
Oh, 80 treadwear in the rain, and driving slicks in the rain is tremendous.
Yes, it's going to be very interesting.
Very good. And young Frankie over here, you got yourself some 80 treadwear tyres too.
Well, we're doing you a favour. I'm going to road these in on a very greasy track.
Yeah, we'll get that top layer of film off for me, Frankie. That'd be much appreciated.
A bit easier to do it on the front than a rear.
Oh, I think so.
On a front-wheel drive.
And you've had some dramas with the shifter here, Diesel.
Yeah, just had a little grub screw come loose, but you know, quick fix.
Yep.
We're almost a race team.
Oh, Clooney Garage Motorsport, look out. Well, we've got 1.5 litre, last day for the 1.5 litre Frankie, before it gets a 1.8 litre transplant.
Yeah, hopefully. Okay, we'll see if we can blow it up and then we'll put our 1.80.
You're a bad man. Well, strangely enough, we're the only people here. I don't know whether that's because we're silly enough or we're the only people booked. Let's get stuck into it. Sounds good, Mirage. Here goes Frankie. Into her. On a wet track at Maruan. Here goes Alex Albon out in the rain in the Mackinnon Lancer. Alright Alex, take it easy out there.
Taking it very easy, very conservative.
Very conservative. You've got to learn these, well, learn your LSD, learn the setup. Also on the big lean, you'll feel the LSD working. Don't stay in it because you'll have an off.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. But just putt around.
Yep.
Yep. All right, buddy. See you out there.
Yeah.
Here goes the Mackinnon Lancer. Out there to learn the track in the wet. Go, Alex Albon. Look at Frankie go. Go, you Mandalorian. Protector of the galaxy, you. Here goes Alex in the souped up 1.8 Lancer. Maximum attack, Alex. Oh, Alex, you're back from your first lap in the wet. How was that?
It was so much fun. Spun twice, and that was part of the fun.
That's part of the fun.
It's very wet, but I really like how this turns.
Oh,
how
okay.
the car turns. The alignment is really
bit different.
well. Yeah, and I really like it. So, yeah, so much fun, but very wet.
Let's hopefully this track dries out.
Yeah.
Young Alex will be able to do some PVs hopefully.
Yeah, let's see.
Did you notice the LSD? Any difference?
Yeah, it's a bit more grippy, I think.
Yeah.
But I was busy with a lot of other things.
Yeah, that's
to
okay.
pay attention to the LSD.
Very good. All right, well, let's keep going.
Yep.
Oh, Alex Albon, young Frankie's out there in the Lancer.
Yeah, let's see how it's doing.
See how it goes?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm timing the Red Bull Mirage.
Okay, well done. Okay, let's just see young Frankie here. Here he comes in earnest. This track is drying out, Alex Albon.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Here he goes. Into it.
Such a beautiful noise.
Yeah. Go, Frankie. Look at him go. Here comes the Mirage. Into it. Here goes Alex Albon in the dry. Go Alex. Better lines this time, Alex. Well done. you strutting around like a little rooster there, Diesel Dallas? What are you doing?
Oh, well, I just went for a angry lap in the Lancer. PB.
Oh no.
1043.
Well done. Well done. And you've set some brakes on fire over here, I see.
So, yeah.
What's going?
That's that's part of the game.
Well, they were steaming. Oh yeah, look at that.
They are smoking.
Oh geez, you could bloody put Mum's baked beans on that.
Yeah, that's all right. You lend me someone's car, I'll drive it like it's stolen.
What do you think of that, Alex Albon?
Well, I think it looks like we need those air blowers that Formula
I
1
think you need
teams
some.
have.
You might need some air ducts. Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, Frankie's about to go out, and he's checked. And we've got no grip on the rear, so she's pretty skatey out there, Frankie. So let's get going. Well, it's refuel time here at Clooney Garage. And what you got yourself there, Frankie?
Nice, some Go Juice. Nothing but the best.
Looks like a bit of 98.
90. Yeah, it is 98.
Jeez, nice one. Nice one. And Alex Albon, you're just back from a lap of the gods. Your PB at this circuit. What'd you do?
Yeah, I did a 1056.
Wow.
156.
Oh, jeez.
But I'll try and beat that today before we go home.
Righto, righto. And any sort of techniques that you picked up? What are you gonna focus on this time?
I mean, it gives me an idea of how much faster the car can go in corners. Watching Fred's driving.
Oh no. No.
But
he's got spiders on him, that young man.
But I think trying to. The idea of turning the car with the back rather than with the front.
Yeah.
That's
and trail braking, lifting. You've noticed that this car lifts rear wheels.
Yeah. When Fred was driving,
Oh.
it lifts one rear wheel. So.
Well, I think we might have to investigate a rear sway bar for the Red Bull Mirage. I think.
Yeah.
Get them jacking as well. All right, we'll head back out there. Frankie and Diesel are about to go out in the Red Bull Mirage with some telemetry, and it's cleared up the weather. But it's starting to spit a bit, but we're the only people here, Diesel.
We are the only people here.
Far
It's
out.
nothing better than having a track to yourself. It's never happened before, but
By jingo.
first.
Well, we've never been like this at Luddenham or Wakefield.
Oh,
No, you don't
definitely
want
not.
that. No, and there's no
Definitely
Mandos or Batmans following us.
Actually, I've got something to
Right,
show quickly.
okay.
And let me have a look here.
What do you got there?
Let me have a look.
And huge shout out to Penrite, our brand ambassador
Check
program.
this out.
Oh, One Raceway, very nice.
So we've got stickers. So
Oh, stick it up.
Yep.
Go with your Penrite brand ambassador stickers there, Diesel.
yeah. We'll have to stick one on the car actually.
Righto. What treadwear you running, Frankie? On the fronts?
We've got our best tyres on at the moment. They're
okay.
Not only about six track days old.
Oh, nice
So,
one.
took a little bit of getting the rubbish off them to get them up to temp, and yeah, we're doing okay for
Doing okay?
an old bloke.
Yeah, and you got your 200 treadwear Yokohamas on the back.
Yeah, they're copping a bit of a beating there.
I can see that.
I say the tyres are still good until the canvas is showing.
Yeah, and I can't make my normal joke about Frankie's business shirt. Righto, we'll get out there. All right, so wrapping up proceedings here at Clooney Garage. Frankie, you're the king of the track today in the Mirage.
Well, I had to try my best. I think
Oh.
one of these whippersnappers getting me again.
No, you did very well, Frankie. So, what, a 4, what?
4-2.
5.2.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, geez. Oh, getting ahead of myself
But
there.
you can see the quality of the tyre. Yeah, we're certainly maximising the tread on these AR1s, and still haven't fallen off the cliff.
Very nice.
So,
Excellent.
No canvas showing.
No, very good, very good. Well, we're going to wrap up here, and Alex Albon's gone. Where is our XL Bonnies?
I think he's might have gone to indispose.
Okay, righto. We'll leave him to that. On that note, don't do for Dale, do for Daffy Duck. Catch you later.
There you go.